Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tattwamasi Learning. So today we are going to discuss the topic LCM and HCF. So in this topic, this is very important topic, and from this topic you will get at least 2 to 3 marks in every exam. So we need to be clear about the concept. First हमें concept clear कर लेना चाहिए. Then after that, I'll tell you 2 to 3 tricks which will be very helpful for to solve the question within like seconds, we can say. Within the minimum time we can say we can solve the क्वेश्चन. तो हम लोग उसको जितनी जल्दी हो सके सॉल्व करने के लिए हमें वो ट्रिक जानना जरूरी है. तो हम पहले कॉन्सेप्ट जानेंगे, उसके बाद ट्रिक जानेंगे. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट द टॉपिक. So LCM and HCM. LCM means least common multiple and HCF means highest common factor. So हम लोग पूरा सबको अच्छे से पता है क्या होता है फैक्टर एंड क्या होता है मल्टीपल, बट फिर भी मैं थोड़ा बता देता हूँ. फैक्टर माने व्हाट? फैक्टर मीन्स, सो अगर कोई लाइक नंबर है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हम लेते हैं अगर कोई नंबर को जैसे कि 8 और 2 हम लेंगे. ओके, अगर 8 को 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं, देन देयर शुड बी द रिमाइंडर इज 0. देन 2 इज द फैक्टर and 8 is the multiple. That is the thing. Okay, 8 is the multiple. Okay, clear? Factor and multiple. Then common multiple. So let us know what is the common multiple. Let us take two numbers 3 and 5. Okay, what are the multiples of 3? We can say 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Okay, then 21, then 24, 27, 30, 33, and so on, right? And so on, we can say. Then 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So this 30 is the multiple in both the case, right? In the case of 5 also, in the case of 3 also. So 30 is the कॉमन मल्टीपल. 30 को हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? कॉमन मल्टीपल बोल सकते हैं, जो कि दोनों में प्रेजेंट है. तो 30 कैन बी सेड एज द कॉमन मल्टीपल. ओके, सो अब हम जानेंगे लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल माने एलसीएम कैसे निकाला जाता है. सो लेट अस सी हाउ वी कैन फाइंड द एलसीएम. सो एलसीएम क्या होता है ना, लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल. जैसे कि हम अगर देखेंगे 3 और 5 की. ओके, 3 और 5 की जो मल्टीपल्स है, जैसे कि 3 का हमने लिखा 3, 9. आई एम राइटिंग अगेन 3, सॉरी 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, then up to what? 36. Up to it will continue like this, right? 36, then 39, then 42, then 45, and so on. Then like that, if you will go for the 5, then 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 20, 5, 30, 35, 40, then 45. So there are common multiples. In this case, common multiple is 45. One is 45, another is 30. So it is saying the least common multiple. Who is the least common multiple then? Here, another is also 15. 15 is there. Here also 15. Okay, common multiple is the 15. So who is the least common multiple? सबसे छोटा multiple कौन है? Common multiple कौन है ना? 15. So we can say the LCM of 5 and 3 is what? 15. Clear? This should be clear. Yes. Then अब हम जानेंगे एलसीएम निकालने का तरीका. सो फर्स्ट तरीका ये होता है एलसीएम निकालने का. फर्स्ट तरीका है प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. factorization method. So in this method हम कैसे निकालेंगे? So for example, I'm not going about the step. अगर हमें दिया है 3 नंबर दिया है, ओके, 8, 8, 12 एंड 15, इसका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन हम सब जानते हैं, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन कैसे होता है, 2 देन 4, also it will be divided by 2 and 2. What about 12, 2, then 6, then 2, 3, then 15 will be what, 3 into 5. This is the prime factorization method. We can write also here 8 is equal to 2 to the power cube, right? Then 12 is equal to 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1. Then 15 is equal to 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1. So we need to consider the highest power of each prime factor. Okay. So what we will take, then prime factor of these three is, first is 2, right? Then 3, then 5. These three are the prime factor, right? And we need to consider the highest power, means 3. Then what is the highest power of 3? Also 1, and 5 also 1. So let us say LCM will be, this will be the LCM. So 8 into 3 into 5. Okay. So that will be 24 into 5 is equal to 120. This is the LCM. So this is the way to find LCM. This one is the prime factorization method. And if we'll take another method is there, what is that? That is called division method. Division method. So for the division method, how will take? So let us take these two numbers only. These three numbers 8, 12 and 15. So directly we will divide. So let us take and we'll divide like जो जो संख्या के साथ ये तीनों डिवाइड हो सकता है. सो फर्स्ट लेट अस टेक 2. अगर 2 हम लेते हैं, क्या हमें 8 डिवाइड हो सकता है? यस हो सकता है. देन 12 डिवाइड हो सकता है? यस हो सकता है. बट 15 डिवाइड नहीं हो सकता है. सो डायरेक्ट हम इन दोनों को डिवाइड करेंगे और उसको नीचे ले आएंगे. सो 4, then 6, then 15 will, as 15 will come down, then again it will be divided by 2, then that will be 2, 3 and again 15, right? 15. Let us take again. So if we'll take 3 this time, 2, 1 and 5, right? This much we are having. So we will just multiply these prime factors. Okay, the division result will multiply this. LCM will be what? 2 into 2 into 3. Give me 1 second. 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 5. So we can get the result as 120. Right? This is the way to find LCM. Now, next is HCF. So again, what we can do? We can find the HCF in two ways. First, what is HCF? HCF is the highest common factor. What is LCM? Least common multiple. So for HCF, what we can say? For HCF, highest common factor. Okay. Let us see what will be the highest common factor. Okay. सो बिफोर गोइंग टू दैट वी शुड नो व्हाट इज कॉमन फैक्टर. कॉमन फैक्टर क्या है वो पहले जानने से उसके बाद हम एचसीएफ के ऊपर जाएंगे. तो फर्स्ट देख जानेंगे कॉमन फैक्टर क्या है. कॉमन फैक्टर. सो कॉमन फैक्टर क्या है? अगर हम कॉमन फैक्टर लेट अस टेक ऑन 8, ओके, एंड 12, okay, so 8 will be what? Now 8 will be divided by 2 into 2 into 2. right? 12 will be divided by 2 into 2 into 3. So what will it be the common factor? 2. This will be the common factor 2. Okay, these two, and we can say common factor will be what? 2 and 4. These are the two common factors we can say. And another is what? 1. 1 will be also if you will add 1 here, 1 will be also common factor. Got it, everyone? So now this is the common factor we can say, and we need to choose the highest common factor. So in this, let us say if you will find the HCF of 8 and 12, right? So we can find from this also. Let us see what will be the prime factorization method. Is there there is one prime factorization method and division method to find the HCF. Okay, so through prime factorization method we'll find the HCF first. Prime factorization factorization method method, right? Okay, so let us take these two only. 8. 8 will be factorized as 2 into 2 into 2. Sorry, 2 into 2 into 2. And 12 will be factorized as 2 into 2 into 3. So it should be as 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 2 into 3. Okay. The common factor will be there. Okay. Those who are the common factor in between these things. Who is the common factor? This is the common factor. And also you can say 1 also, right? You can take 1, no issues with that. Multiple of the common factor. Okay. So, and with the least power, we need to remember in that LCM we are taking the highest power. In HCF we will take the least power. Means the जो सबसे छोटा power होगा उसका we will take that. Okay, we'll take that as the common factor. So सबसे छोटा power क्या है ना 2 to the power 2 और कुछ है. So 4 will be the answer. Okay, 4 is the answer. And another method if we'll take like 12, in this method also we can do. Let us divide it by 2, then it should be 4, then 6, then again 2, 2 and 3. It will not be divided more, so same. Well, so this is the HCF, only the common factor which is be divided by the them, that will be the HCF 4. Got it? So let us clear one more example with with that only. In this method only will understood. Okay, 24, 30 and 42, let's say. Okay, so let us divide this one. Okay, 2, then it should be 12, 15 and 42 means 28. Sorry, not 28. This one is not. Oops. This one is 21. Okay, again if we are taking, does it divided, does these three, क्या ये तीनों डिवाइडेड हो सकते हैं दो के थ्रू? नहीं होंगे क्योंकि 15 इज देयर. सो लेट अस टेक देन 3. 3 के साथ ये डिवाइड हो रहे हैं लाइक 6, सॉरी 4, 5 एंड 7. इसके बाद आगे डिवाइड नहीं होंगे तो उसको हम क्या करेंगे ना, only these two can be taken as the HCF. So HCF will be 2 into 3, that is 6. Okay, this one is the HCF. We can find the HCF from this one. Got it, everyone? Okay. Another method is there actually, the division method. Sorry, division method is there. Through the division we can divide this one. Let me erase this one. So I hope everyone should understood this procedure of prime factorization method and the division method. Let us try another method, but it is not needed for the exam. I'm just giving one example. Will not go through thoroughly on this. Okay, we'll just know about the procedure. In the division method, what we'll do? Let us see. What is division method? Division method. Okay, in division method, what we'll do? So let us take an example of, sorry, HCF, HCF of 26 and 455. Common example I'm just taking to make you understood. 455, and we'll divide this one 26. 455, 455 को हम 26 के साथ divide करेंगे. Okay, so let us put 26 and 17. Okay, here if you will put 17, sorry, one more mistake is there. Okay, let us, will divide 26 into 2 is 52, so let us take one only, 26. Okay, so there will be 19 and 195. So if we will divide by 7, then so it will be 182. Okay, so remainder will be 13, and we need to divide this 26 again with the remainder. So it will be 26. We need to divide that, there will be a zero in the remainder. जब तक रिमाइंडर में जीरो नहीं आता तब तक हम डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, एंड जहां पे जीरो आ गया उस वो दैट पॉइंट द what divisor will be the what, the HCF. HCF is 13 here. Clear? 13 here. So these are the process to find the HCF and LCM. Hope all you are clear by this. सबको अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा कि कैसे HCF निकालते हैं और LCM निकालते हैं. बट सबसे अच्छा मेथड जो है वो है that this method. So we can find the HCF also and LCM also. Let us take 8 and 12. We'll find the HCF also in this method and LCM. So 2, 4, 6, 2, 2, 3. This is, so HCF will be 4 and LCM will be this much. We need to, LCM will be what? LCM. This is the easiest method, we can say. Okay, LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. HCF will be, HCF will be what? HCF will be 2 into 2. This is the easiest method. Whenever you are calculating HCF and LCM, just put this method, you can easily find out. Okay, let us go to the most important thing. Okay, अब हम जाएंगे कैसे हम डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके, ट्रिक नंबर 1 आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू. दिस इज what trick number, trick 1. So trick number 1 क्या लिखा है इसमें? The LCM of two number is 2079 and their HCF is 27. The first number is 189, then find the second number. There is a rule always. Okay, so what is that rule? Product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. Just remember this one. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर्स इज इक्वल टू एलसीएम इंटू एचसीएफ। सो कैसे करेंगे? सो यहाँ पे दे दिया है एलसीएम ऑफ टू नंबर इज 2079, मीन्स ये दे दिया है 2079, एलसीएम दे दिया है। एचसीएम इज 27, राइट, एंड फर्स्ट नंबर इज 189, देन वी नीड टू फाइंड दिस नंबर, राइट। सो अगर हम इस नंबर को यहाँ पे 2079 इंटू 27 डिवाइडेड बाई 189 कर देते हैं, clearly we can find out the result. Okay, so by cutting all these things you will get the answer as 297. Okay, 27 will be 189 will be cutted by this, then this, you will get 297. So the answer will be 297. You can also check that 189 into 297 is equal to 2079 into 27. This is the thing. Clear? This one is trick number 1. Let us go for the trick number 2. So what is the trick number 2? Let us watch. Let us write first. You can write. हाँ, आप लोग इसको लिख सकते हैं for better understanding. हाँ, आप लोग नोट भी कर सकते हैं, फिर भी मैं टेलीग्राम चैनल पे ये टोटल पीडीएफ दे दूंगा with the writings. You can write it from there also. Okay. Okay, the trick number 2 says the greatest number which divides the number x, y, z leaving the remainder a, b, c. If there are three numbers x, y, z, and this is the number, and reminders are a, b, c respectively. Means for a is for x, then b is for y, then c is for z. So respectively, if we'll get, then HCF is, this is the trick, HCF will be what? Now x minus a, y minus b and z minus c. अगर नंबर्स हैं x, y, z एंड रिमाइंडर है a, b, c, देन HCF होगा x minus a, y minus b, z minus c. Clear? So let us try the question. Find the greatest number which divides 29, 60 and 103, leaving remainder 5, 12 and 7 respectively. Okay, and it should be the, ये तीन नंबर किसके थ्रू में डिवाइड होना चाहिए? So I am writing the trick 2 again over here. Clearly I'll write so that you can understand properly. The greatest number, the number which divides x, y, z with leaving the remainder a, b, c respectively, then okay, is given by HCF of x minus a, y minus b and z minus c. So just ignore the first trick. I'm just erasing that one. So we can say also, here you can write the greatest number is what? HCF of x minus a, y minus b and it's z minus c. Okay, let us try the number. Find the greatest number. So we have to find what? The greatest number. Given numbers are 29. So while dividing, the greatest number is x is dividing 29. Let's take answer. This is the answer. Let's take, I'm just explaining you. Let's take the greatest number. Greatest number adds x. So x divides 29 by remainder what? 5. So according to the rule, and x divides 60 by remainder what? 12. Then again x divides 103 after remainder 7. So according to the rule, we'll put the direct rule. What is that? That the HCF of x minus a, y minus b, z minus c. X minus a means 29 minus 5. HCF of 29 minus 5, then 60 minus 12. This is 12. Then 103 minus 7. So this will be the answer. So let us bring HCF of 29 minus 5 means 24, 48 and 96. What will be? So all of you bring out the answer. It will be, you need to find the answer. Okay. So by in this method also you can 48 and 96. So in this method you can do, that is 12. I am putting directly 12 to, then to 4, then 6, right? Again 2, 1, 2, 3. So HCF is 12 into 2, that is equal to HCF is equal to 12 into 2, that is equal to 24. Clear? So you just remember this trick. This trick is very important. Now if you will remember this one, then there will be no problem at all. This trick you need to remember. Okay, this trick if you will remember, then there will be no problem. This much. This much if you will remember, you can solve this type of question. Okay, got it everyone? Let us move to the next one. So next question is technique number 3 or trick number 3 will write. Okay, so trick number 3. Trick number 3. What trick number 3 is telling? The least number, here comes the least number, which when divided by, just this is number, I'm not writing, okay, I'm writing number, which when divided by xyz, so and z, leaves the remainder, leaves the remainder a b c respectively, a b c respectively, is given by LCM of x, y, z minus k, and k is what? K equal to x minus y a is equal to y minus b is equal to z minus c. Clear? So at that time we are finding the greatest number. Okay, greatest number which will be divisible by the 3 numbers. Now we'll find the least number. So directly we can say. So here the question, ये क्वेश्चन में बोल रहा है कि लीस्ट नंबर को फाइंड करना है डायरेक्टली. सो क्या क्या नंबर दिया है? 24, which when divided by 24, 24 and okay, so this one, this trick is not for this question actually. Let us, this trick, you just write this trick and we'll do solve the this question. Okay, find the least number which when divided by 24, 32 and 36 leaves the remainder 19, 27 and 20, 31 respectively. So what is k over here? First we need to trick 3. You just from this slide you write the trick 3. K, what is k? K is equal to x minus a. That means 24 minus 19 is equal to what? 5. So 5 is the k. Okay. Okay. So also we got the k. And what is the rule saying? Rule saying LCM of xyz. We need to find the LCM of xyz. What is the LCM of xyz? Xyz means 24, 32 and 36. LCM of xyz. So let us find the LCM of xyz first. 24, 32, 36. 2, 12, 16, 18. Again 2, 4. Directly I'll take 4, 3, 4. Then it will not be divided, right? Let us take 2 because 18 is not divisible by 4. Hmm? 10, 6, 8, 9. Then again 2, 3, 4, 9. Then again 3, that will be 1, 2, sorry, 1, 4, 3. We can multiply these things and LCM will be what? 2 into 2, 4, 8, 24. 288 will be the answer. Okay, LCM is equal to 288. And what will be the answer? As for the trick, as for this trick, so LCM of xyz minus k. LCM of xyz is 288 minus 5. That is equal to 283 is the right answer. Clear? So in this type of question, you will need to use what? Trick number 3. In this type of question, I'm writing here trick 3. Question set was a little suffered, that's why it happens. Okay, now the trick number 4. What the trick number 4 says? Trick number 4, what is it saying? The least number which we when divided by xyz leaves the same remainder in each case. Okay, so clearly if there is the least number, I'm writing the least number which when divided by x, y and z leaves the same reminder in each case is LCM of reminder. Let's the reminder is to be k. LCM of x, y, z plus k. Okay, so find the least number which is divided by 24. This question is belongs to the trick number 4. Okay, this is trick 4. Okay, 24, 30 and 54. Let us first take the LCM of 24, 30, 30 and 54. So in case, what you have to do, what is the LCM of 22, then 12, 15 and 27, then 3, that is 4, 5, 9. LCM will be what? LCM will be 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 9. Big number, that is 1080. Okay. And according to the rule, what is the remainder? K over here, K is equal to given 5. Same case 5. So required number is what? Required number is LCM of XYZ, that is equal to 180 plus 5, that is equal to 185. Clear? So according to these tricks, you can use the you can use these tricks to solve the problems. Okay. So very nicely you will solve the problem. So there is only one mistake, that trick 3 is used in this page. I'll save this one, I'll send to this one. Okay. So you can very nicely do the question. Okay. So it was very easy to use these tricks. आप लोग अच्छे से इसको यूज कर सकते हैं और आप लोग अच्छे से प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं और बहुत कम टाइम में इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. आपको अगर ये पीडीएफ चाहिए तो ये तत्वमसी लर्निंग चैनल पे, टेलीग्राम चैनल पे ज्वाइन कीजिए. यू कैन गेट द पीडीएफ. यू कैन इजीली गेट द पीडीएफ एंड यू कैन प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ. एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब to our channel, like, share with your friends, and thank you everyone. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video.